How to add a calendar date picker in Google Sheets. First of all, select the cells or entire column where you want the calendar to be popped up. Click on that cell. You can also select other cells by dragging to the bottom. After you do that, those cells will be selected. Click on the option Data that you can see at top. Click on the option Data Validation. Over here, you'll be able to add the rules. Click on the option Add Rule. Now you'll be able to see this option for criteria over here. Click on the option that is selected right now. Now over here, click on the option Is Valid Date. Once you do that, click on the option Done. Now you can see over here data validation rule has been added. Now if you double click on the cell, you can see over here the calendar will pop up. Like this, you can add a calendar date picker in Google Sheets. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.